Today, we are going to talk about a very powerful idea from the book Atomic Habits that can completely change your life forever.
Really? Can a simple idea from a book actually change someone's entire life in a meaningful and practical way?
Yes, it definitely can, but only if you truly understand the idea and apply it consistently in your daily routine. So make sure you watch this video till the very end, and if you find it useful, like the video and share your honest thoughts in the comments.
I think most people start something new with excitement, but they quickly lose interest and stop continuing after a short time.
Exactly. The real problem is not starting something new, but staying consistent with that habit for a long period of time.
So, what is the main idea that we should understand from this book?
The main idea is very simple but powerful. Improve yourself by just 1% every single day without fail.
Only 1% improvement every day sounds very small and almost unnoticeable at the beginning.
Yes, it sounds small, but small improvements done daily create massive results over a long period of time.
That actually makes sense when we think about long-term progress and growth.
Let me ask everyone watching this video right now, do you practice English every single day or only sometimes when you feel motivated?
Honestly, I practice English only sometimes and not on a regular daily basis.
That is exactly why your progress feels slow and inconsistent over time.
So, daily small actions are more important than doing big things occasionally.
Yes, consistency is always more important than intensity when it comes to long-term success.
That is a very powerful and important sentence to remember in life.
If you practice English for just 10 minutes daily, you will definitely see improvement in your confidence and fluency.
That actually feels manageable and easy to follow for most beginners.
That is the main point. Make your habits simple, easy, and achievable every single day. If you are learning something valuable from this conversation, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple English learning content.
So, habits are more important than motivation when it comes to long-term success.
Yes, motivation is temporary, but habits stay with you for a long time and shape your life.
That makes a lot of sense in real-life situations and personal growth.
Now, let's move to the next important concept and understand how habits actually work in real life. In the last part, we discussed small habits, and now we will understand how habits actually work step by step.
Yes, I really want to understand the system behind habits in a simple and practical way.
Every habit follows 4 simple steps, which are cue, craving, response, and reward in a continuous loop.
Can you please explain these steps in a simple way so everyone can understand clearly?
Cue means a trigger that tells your brain to start a specific habit automatically.
For example, when I wake up and immediately check my phone without thinking much.
Yes, that is a perfect example of a cue starting a habit automatically. Craving means the desire or feeling that pushes you to take action and complete the habit.
Like, I feel curious and want to check my messages or notifications quickly.
Exactly. Response means the actual action that you take after feeling that craving.
So I open my phone and start scrolling or checking notifications.
Yes, and reward means the satisfaction or good feeling you get after completing the habit.
That is true. I feel relaxed or entertained after checking my phone.
So every habit follows this cycle again and again, which makes it stronger over time.
That is very interesting and easy to understand with real-life examples.
Now, let's apply this same concept to learning English effectively.
Yes, that will help us connect this idea with real learning.
Cue can be after dinner when you decide to spend time improving your English. Craving is your desire to become better and more confident in speaking English. Response is practicing English speaking for 10 minutes daily without skipping. Reward is feeling confident and happy after completing your daily practice.
That creates a very clear and simple system for learning English daily.
Let me ask everyone watching, what is your daily cue for learning English regularly?
This feels very practical and easy to follow in daily life.
Yes, and if this is helping you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.
So, repeating this loop daily makes the habit stronger and automatic.
Exactly. Repetition is the key to building strong and lasting habits. Now, let's move to the next part where we learn how to build good habits easily. Now we will learn how to build good habits using 4 simple and practical rules.
Yes, this part is very important for applying everything in real life.
The first rule is make it obvious, which means making your habit clearly visible every day.
Can you give an example so it becomes easier to understand?
Keep your English book or notes on your table so you see them daily.
That is very simple and easy to follow for anyone.
The second rule is make it attractive so you enjoy doing the habit.
How can we make learning English more interesting and enjoyable?
You can watch English videos, listen to podcasts, or learn through fun conversations.
That makes learning feel less boring and more engaging.
The third rule is make it easy by starting with small and simple steps.
Like practicing English for just 5 minutes daily at the beginning.
Yes, starting small makes it easier to stay consistent without feeling overwhelmed.
That feels very manageable and realistic for beginners.
The fourth rule is make it satisfying by rewarding yourself after completing the habit.
That helps in building motivation and consistency over time.
Let me ask everyone, which of these rules will you start applying from today?
I think starting small and making it easy is the best option for me.
That is a great choice because small steps lead to big changes. If you are learning something useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.
This conversation is really helping me understand habits in a simple way.
That is because habits are practical and can be applied easily in real life. What about identity? How does that connect with habits?
Instead of saying, I want to learn English, say, I am an English learner.
That feels more powerful and confident when I say it like that.
Yes, because your identity shapes your actions and long-term behavior.
Now let's move to the final and most important part of this discussion. Now we will talk about the most important idea, which is to never give up on your habits and learning journey.
Yes, many people quit in the middle when they don't see quick results.
You don't fail when you make mistakes, you only fail when you stop trying completely.
That is very true and relatable for most learners.
Keep going even when progress feels slow, because small steps still move you forward.
So, patience and consistency are very important in this process.
Yes, always remember that small daily progress is better than no progress at all. Let's practice some simple and powerful English sentences together.
Okay, I am ready to practice now.
I am improving my English every single day with consistent effort.
I am improving my English every single day with consistent effort.
I speak English daily without fear and with growing confidence.
I speak English daily without fear and with growing confidence.
I will not give up on my learning journey no matter what happens.
I will not give up on my learning journey no matter what happens.
Very good. Keep repeating these sentences daily for better confidence.
This feels very motivating and helpful for building confidence.
Because your identity is changing and becoming stronger every day.
Yes, I feel more confident already after this conversation.
Let me ask one final question to everyone watching this video right now. What is one small habit that you will start from today without fail? Comment your answer below and share your honest thoughts with us.
And also tell us, what is your biggest problem in learning English currently?
Start small, stay consistent, and your life will slowly start changing for the better. Like, share, and subscribe for more learning and motivational conversations like this.